Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Sing it.
Fuck you.
Again.
Again. Fuck you.
Are you singing?
Ed.
What are you singing?
Ed.
Ed? Uh-huh.
Dad.
Yeah, I see that. That's cool.
Got change in my pocket. Was enough for Mac.
That was funny. Keegan, I thought you were singing.
Sticky.
Sticky? Don't worry about the sticky. Give it to your brother. Eric, stop trying to jump into the camera. That's rude. That's rude. Keegan's singing.
Yeah, can I hop in? Oh.
Hop.
Okay.
Thought you were singing. No, that's not hopping in. That's taking over. You're bigger than him. You can sit behind him on the other side. Keegan, sing. Sit over there. Can you sing down?
Down.
No?
Buggy.
What?
Buggy.
You gonna sing what?
Buggy.
Okay.
Fucky?
No.
Did you say fucky?
No.
Buggy.
Fuck you.
Yeah.
Oh. That's another kid likes soul music.
You gotta stop playing CeeLo Green, baby.
Down.
What?
Down.
You gonna sing down?
Down.
Yeah. Yeah? Two?
Lay me down. Lay me down. Beep up.
What?
Beep up.
Beep up? Oh, you're scooting up. Eric, don't do that. Don't do that. He wants it just the way it is. I got you, buddy. Eric, don't do that. Daddy's guitar.
They say something on video,
You're already saying something on the video.
but it's different.
What'd you say? Butt's different?
Spit it out. You coughing. Good job covering your mouth, baby. Good job. What, are you gonna say it, or are you gonna fart around?
I don't want to say it, but I'll do another one I wanted to say.
Okay. Now he's singing Love Daddy. What, Eric?
Hit it. Oh.
What the heck?
Oh.
Sing, baby, sing.
Let's have a party. It's me.
Sing. You sing something.
Eric, why don't you just buzz out?
I know.
You're trying to catch
Na.
Oh no, we caught it.
Na 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 na.
What's the name of the guy that sings the Fuck You song?
CeeLo Green.
Yeah.
Honestly.
No more CeeLo Green.
Okay.
Okay, why?
When you're done playing, if you can bring it up on the internet, find out what his new show is going to be on.
Okay.
Because he has a show coming on one of the music
You want to turn it off?
channels.
Turn it off?
Either MTV, VH1, or Hughes.
Interesting.
I saw the advertisement, I just don't remember what
Good
it said
job.
about when.
Oh, you rock,
No,
baby.
stop, but that's okay.
Look, it's turning off. I'll sit back down.
Not a boss bit.
I think that's something you guys would be interested in.
I like a couple songs. Rachel might be interested.
Yeah, I don't know. I'll
What
try.
is it about? I have no
I'll
idea
check
what
it
to
out.
say. It's just
Hi.
him and show him his name.
Are you singing?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, what?
And it's funny. The name with the
What's
program
that?
called, like,
Oh, your pants.
but I can't
Hold on.
remember it.
Hold on, baby.
Oh,
Hold on.
okay.
Ah.
Mommy.
I can't. Hey, quit. Back up some.
Mom, heads or tails?
Neither. Freeze. Haha, you're so handsome.
Keep up.
No, if you keep going, I can't fix your pants. Okay, you gonna sing and dance?
Key.